Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we're going to discuss what I learned making $50,000 in revenue in 30 days on Etsy. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. And the income stream we're currently working on, hustling on at the moment, is Etsy. So let's dive right in. So I thought I'd share this quick video with you today because, I know a lot of you enjoyed my progress reports in the past, and a lot of you have been asking me when I'm going to be doing a new one. And personally, I think it's really important to share my results with you because, number one, it shows that, what I teach actually works. And number two, personally, I believe that in order to teach something, you need to be doing that thing that you're teaching successfully. So I'm just going to flip on the screen now, my Etsy dashboard. So you can see it in November, across 30 days, I made a little over $50,000 in revenue, which is absolutely fantastic. If you would have told me this, when I was in my early 20s, I'm 27 by the way, I wouldn't have believed it was possible. At that time, I just finished university, I was in debt, and I would have just been happy making an extra £500 or dollars, you could say, extra. So it's crazy how your life can change in relatively a short space of time. So if you're currently in a place or a situation right now where things aren't great or you want to improve your life, just know that nothing is permanent and you can get from where you are to where you want to be. All you need to do is take action. So the biggest lesson I've learned in building a successful Etsy store, taking it to over $100,000 in less than 7 months, making $50,000 in a month, is focus. I'm one of those people that, I always want to try different things. So sticking with something for me is quite difficult. And focus can be defined as Robert Kiyosaki said it in, I think in one of his talks, or maybe it was in his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is a great book, by the way. Focus is defined as follow one course until successful. And I really do believe that. You can't have or be good at everything all at once. There's only so many hours in the day. And if you want great success with something, you're going to have to give something up. It reminds me of this story the other day I was listening to. I can't remember the fella that was telling the story. But essentially, there was this guy and he wanted to chop down a massive oak tree. He was trying to attack the oak tree from all different angles. He was hitting it at the bottom, at the side, he was just going around the tree, just trying to hack and slash as much as he could, but he couldn't bring down the tree. It wasn't until he focused his hacking, you could say, in just one part of the tree, and he just kept hacking at that exact same spot that he managed to bring the tree down. And it's the same thing with your goals. We're at a point in time now where there's so much opportunity online to make money and be successful and change your life. However, in order to be successful, you're going to have to pick one thing, and just like that guy did with the oak tree, you're just going to have to hammer it until you make it successful, okay? So whatever your thing is, just pick it, give yourself a goal, give yourself, a certain period of time, and just devote as much time and energy as you can to making that successful. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you're interested in, building your Etsy store up, perhaps your goal is to make, $100,000 with Etsy, or to get to the point where you're having $50,000 months on Etsy, check out my free masterclass. It's completely free to attend. It's about an hour long. Links in the description. Until the next video, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.